Hi there. Do you want to make money on YouTube forever? Yes, guys, I'm going to share with you a very simple tip which you can actually implement for you to be able to make money on YouTube forever, even if you stop making videos today. If you have sufficient of the content I'm going to talk about, be sure you're going to make money on YouTube forever. Having said that, you are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you know, kindly consider subscribing to this channel because I'm out here bringing you awesome tips on money, investing, and also growing on YouTube. And without further stories, the simple trick which you need to use for you to be able to make money on YouTube forever is you producing high quality evergreen content. What do I mean? Evergreen content is that kind of content which is relevant now, is going to be relevant 5 years from now, and still be relevant even 10 years from now. To give you an example, in case someone, for example, was making even videos even from 10 years back on things like, for example, using a computer. In case, for example, I have an issue with regards to my computer not being able to turn on, I'm going to go to YouTube, for example, look up on YouTube what could be the issue. And even so, if YouTube, for example, recommends to me a video even from 2010, I'm going to watch it because it is still addressing my problem, as opposed to chasing a given trend, right? Right now, for example, I could chase a trend, for example, dancing style. But guys, this is a momentary thing. It isn't an evergreen kind of content. That's why if you are a content creator and you want to make money on YouTube forever, think about how you can incorporate evergreen content into your video content. Of course, not everyone out there can do that because it all depends on the kind of content someone creates. In case, for example, someone makes prank videos or even reports on news, it might be quite difficult for them to constantly make evergreen content. But even with that, they need to purpose. They need to try and be able to see how they can make evergreen content and fuse it into their content so that their content is continuously propelled even beyond them being active on YouTube. What do you think about this video? I hope you've gotten an idea with regards to how you can go about making content which is going to last on YouTube forever, and even most importantly, it's going to continuously give you money even when you stop making YouTube videos. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome YouTube tips next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.